Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
Whoop! It's bumpy. Whoa! Hold on, Darwin. I am Newts. Hello, Pupurangi. Hi. Whoa! Ooh! Uh-oh! It's an old tree that's broken and fallen over. See? And now it's in our way. Or maybe we can lift it. Oof! Oh. I don't think you'll lift that.
It's far too heavy.
Who said that?
We did. We are beetles. This is our home.
We live here with all our insect friends.
We eat away at this log. We break it down into small bits, so it's food for the soil.
And trees to help things grow. Interesting.
This is Weta.
Hello. Kia ora. This is Cockroach. Kia ora. Hello.
And these are our giraffe weevil friends.
Kia ora. Hello. I have this brand new camera and we're off on an adventure to take photos. We don't want to disturb your home, but we would like to get past it. We can't go under it. We can't go through it. We'll have to go over it with a bridge. I'm on it. Whee! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Presenting my latest invention, my all-new over-the-top of the log bridge. It's a plank of wood. Exactly. Ooh. Ha-ha! Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'll set up my tripod. What's a tripod? It has 3 legs to help keep the camera still. The bridge is finished. Darwin, can you please test it with the trike? Sure, Newts. Just after I take our new friends' photos. Thanks very much. These photos look amazing. Here goes. Oh, What happened? When you go on the bridge, it's fine. But when I go on the bridge with the trike, it wobbles. We need to find a way to keep the bridge still so it doesn't move. Like my camera tripod. See? It keeps the camera still because it has 3 legs. 3 legs? I wonder if that's the answer.
You're on the right track, young newts.
Wapiti! Kia ora, Wapiti!
There's a way of building things like bridges so they don't move. May I show you? Here's a bridge. Look at the shapes on each side. And here's another bridge. Can you see the same shapes underneath it?
Yes, they are all triangles.
You're right, Darwin. They all have triangles in them. You can see the triangles here and the triangles here.
Yes, I can see them.
Triangles have 3 sides and make things you build stronger.
Kia ora! Thank you, Wapiti! I'm going to make our bridge stronger. Looks great, Newts! I've put triangles here and here, and now it won't wobble. See? Ha! 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 Shall I try the trike on it? Yes! Here goes! It feels good. Very smooth. Not wobbling. And we're across! We did it! The bridge worked! Well done, Newts!
Yes, well done, newts.
Thank you so much for building a bridge to keep our home safe.
You're very welcome.
Goodbye, little insects.
Bye! Hey, Wapiti. I noticed you called the beetles, weta, cockroach, and the giraffe weevils all insects.
Yes, I did.
So why are they all called insects when they are all so different? Maybe I can work this out myself. Let's science this. Here are the 2 hoo-hoo beetles. They start their life as grubs, then turn into beetles, and they can fly. They also have 6 legs. And here is the weta. They look for food at night time and are quite big. And they have 6 legs. This is the cockroach. They can't fly like the hoo-hoo beetle, but they do have 6 legs. Yes, and these giraffe weevils are much, much smaller. But they also have 6 legs. Yes, Newts. Wait, I see a pattern now.
Good. What do they all have that is the same?
All insects have 6 legs. A beetle has 6 legs. A weta has 6 legs. A cockroach has 6 legs. Each giraffe weevil has 6 legs. They all do.
That's exactly right, Darwin. Every insect has 6 legs.
Well done. Ka pai, Darwin. There we go. Take care. Insects live here. That looks great, Darwin. No one will disturb our insect friend's home now. Me Hato! Awesome!